what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can change the clock icon in your Android home screen. So first of all, what you could do is come to your home screen and simply come to a blank tab. Long tap onto your blank tab. As you do that, you will see widgets. Select widgets. Scroll below somewhere here, you will see clock. So tap on clock. As you can see, it will show me 4 variations because it says 4 right here. Now you can either have alarm, analog clock, digital clock, or dual clock. Likewise, I'm going to set it dual clock. So let's go ahead and tap on this one right here. Select add. If you would like, you can also expand it. If you would like, you can also put it to another tab. Now, for example, if you would like to have time, you may go ahead and edit it as well. You can have one time of London and one type of Seoul. And if you would like to edit, simply go ahead and set it to any country that you would like to see the time of in your home screen. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.